Guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use Google Maps but offline. So firstly, let's just get started. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so if you have any queries or anything, just let me know in the comment section right away, and now just follow me. So firstly, just check if you have downloaded the good offline maps or not. Firstly, and just go to your profile and then go to offline maps. Over here you'll be having like this if you have downloaded the offline map. So now let's just get started. So let me just off my Wi-Fi, turn off my Wi-Fi, and then let me just try like this, and then let me choose the location, choose on map. So let me just choose this location and then choose another location over here like this, and let me just go with the specific one like this, and then OK, and then do something like this and it will show the route like this. So this is how you use the offline maps. So that's pretty much good. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.